Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how I replaced an old Ring doorbell camera with a new Reolink doorbell camera. So why am I doing this? The reason I'm replacing this old Ring camera is because the camera is like 7 years old or something like that, and the resolution I believe is 360, while the new Reolink doorbell camera has 4K resolution. Also, I have to pay $5 a month for the Ring camera subscription, while the Reolink camera uses a SD card, so I could just view the videos over the internet. I also have several of these Reolink security cameras, so I'm very familiar with the performance and the setup and the app that it uses. The Reolink doorbell camera that I bought is the Wi-Fi version. It connects to power using the existing doorbell wires. There's also another version of this camera that uses PoE or power over Ethernet. Before installing the camera, we need to perform the initial setup. For this, you just follow the instructions in the manual. They're very easy to follow. After setting up the camera, the next thing we have to do is to find your doorbell power panel. Should be a big white box. Mine is in my living room. But before messing with any electricity, make sure you find the breaker and shut it off. Once you've located the doorbell power panel, go ahead and open it. Mine just popped open. It didn't have a screw or anything like that. The Reolink kit comes with a little jumper cable. You use it to connect the front connection to the trans connection. In my case, I had the Ring camera capacitor on there, so I just replaced it with the wire. Now outside of the house, I removed the old Ring doorbell camera. It uses a small star pattern screw at the bottom. Then remove the faceplate, then the rest of the screws. Loosen the screws to remove the wires. And remove the rest of the screws to remove the mount. We cannot reuse this mount because it's specifically for Ring doorbell cameras. The Reolink kit comes with this template. Use it to mark where you want your new holes to be. This was installed on stucco, so I used 3/16 masonry bit to drill the holes. After drilling the holes, insert the anchors. They're included with the kit. Install the mount included with the Reolink kit. Use the longer screws here. Using a level to make sure it's plumb. Next, install the metal plate. This uses the tiny screws. Attach the wires. The orientation doesn't really matter. Unlike the Ring camera, this one doesn't use a screw. It just snaps in place. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please comment with any questions. And if you've enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons.